gonna try and show you the blizzard in action if I can. I'd come out the front door here. It was packed full. This is our front deck. Drifted right up. And now I gotta walk through it. You can't even see it because of the contrast. Blizzard isn't still in full. Oh, I fell down. Full motion here. There's supposed to be another house across the way there. Can hardly see it. Gotta make my way down. Excuse me, to the chickens, so that I can give them some water. It's minus 14, so their water's frozen. It's windy. You can see the car there. In front of the car is the great big drift that you saw in the time lapse. My tractor is buried. The car has a little bit of a... I can't see this here, but there's a top of a drift right here. Car is not encased, but there is 5-6 feet of snow there, drifted there anyways. You can see at the door to my shed a high drift in front of the door there, so I'm going to try and make my way to the chickens. I'm going to get a shovel. Alright, trying to make my way to the chickens. Massive snowdrift here I need to get through. Maybe I'll just start cutting a straight path here through it. So, you can see I'm up to my knees. I need snowshoes. Oh yeah, it's a good 40 centimeters on top of what we had. Every step up to my knees. Oh yeah. See, now the chicken shed is really snowed in. Wow. See the old house there? The drifting up to the, almost up to the roof. Oh boy. This is deep. Yes, I do need snowshoes. That would definitely save me here. Deep snow I'm breaking here again. Getting a bit shallower here. Can see my solar panel up top, completely covered. I don't even know if I'll get in the door. The door is completely covered. But I guess I gotta get in one way or another. The chickens need food. See in there? The snow is up to the level of the fence. That's a 5.5 foot fence anyways. It's hard work, huffing and puffing. And you see how high I am? I can touch my platform for my solar panel. That is not normal. Alright. I'm gonna try and dig my door out. I don't know if I'll get that far. We'll see how far I get. This is as much as I can open the door. You can see where the snow is here. The windows are completely covered, as you saw from the height of the fence there. A little bit less drifting on the far side there. But they cannot get out. And I gotta go find water for these guys. So down to the river I go.